let's go to the next record, man. This one is Timmy Dakolo. Okay, Timmy Dakolo and Ebuka and Noble Igwe came together. I think they have a video for this too. I think they have a video. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think they have a video. Should we watch the video? You guys wanna change the energy a little bit? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. This is Timmy Dakolo, Ebuka and Noble Igwe. Let's go. Obim.
Mwanye di mana mwanye ka ibe ya enelebe eje ọrụ ofu anya ji nsu ụgwọ nwa ọma eji eje mba ọ dị be eze nwa m ede m ụkọ
Start leaving your translations in the comments.
ụbọchị bọs na abịrịba nwa m ekene m go ọya dị
You're my melody, my sweet baby. The one where they make my heart go jim jim and shake body.
Okay,
See, I promise you,
Timmy has got one.
go chop money.
Oje?
The love where you give me so, and I don't really. The queen will own my heart. Crown upon my head. The essence.
Yo, wedding industry. Take it from me, man. The wedding industry, man. Nah. From the music. Making targeted music at that space, man. Cash cow.
Crown upon my head. The essence of my life.
Kola nuts.
The queen essence of my life.
Oh, that's beautiful, man. Oh shit. Oh, that's sweet. This guy offered her bands, bro, and she was like, "Nah, G, we good." She got, "Nah, G, we good." I love this tradition of like walking around, right, like to go and find your husband and serve him, £7 wine or something.
See as you smooth like silk. Your voice like me.
I just say I'll take small.
Everlasting angel. The queen will own my heart. The crown upon my head. The
Background
essence of my
vocals,
life. Oh, you know me more. The queen.
Ogene
Oh shit.
achalugo nwanyị ọma m ada na-eri ụkwụ anụ iri igolo
Oh shit. Nice brand
nwanyị
placement.
ọma mụrụ amụ obi dị ya ọmụma asa ahụ
I just jejely sent her 5M.
ụdara mmicha m mụnwa chankọta m ji achọ mma ose nsụka akpọgasị
Fire. Let's go. Oh shit, bodied. Okay, right here. Nah, the steez. Nah, this was great. How you guys feeling about that one, man? This was great. Let me get back. Okay. How you guys feeling about that record, man? How you guys feeling about that one? I actually loved it. Oh yeah, nah, that video is definitely gonna get me blocked for sure. Definitely gonna get me blocked. But yes. Oh my goodness. First off, Timmy Dakolo. One of the purest, I say, like the most wholesome vocalist that we have. He's not necessarily like a Afro pop. He's not even Afrobeats too, if you want to be honest. Doesn't make that kind of Afrobeats music. He's much more soulful and you know what I mean, R&B. He has a very like strong. He has a strong voice. He has a very, very strong voice, and most of his bread, or most of his like his identity is behind live performances, and he does this in front of like live shows, and I think that's the bulk of his essence. You know what I mean? He performs live. He has a very strong voice, and he caters to an audience that is I would say of a, you know what I mean, like upper class, like, you know what I mean, upper class Nigerians, like, you know what I mean, in like high elite spaces. Like he's there, like he's one of those artists that they call on to for live performances, and one huge avenue for him is weddings, and he appeals to that space so well, especially with this record. But this time around, he has an interesting twist to it. He's going to an Eastern high life atmosphere. He invites two of the most popular Eastern the Igbo figures in mainstream culture. Noble Igwe, who is, I don't know what Noble Igwe does, but he's like a CEO or something, but he's very popular, and like a lot of people make reference to Noble Igwe in every song, bro. Noble Igwe, very, very famous guy. And then there's Ebuka, who is the host of one of the largest reality shows in the country, and this man just had them give simple vocal samples on that record just to like give it, you know what I mean, just a nice element to it. I know he's definitely using their name and the leverage that they have. They're bringing so much weight to this, so it's gonna bring more eyeballs to the song, and I like that wholesome atmosphere where the video takes you to. It's definitely an Eastern wedding. The song is about love. It's confessing so much love around it. You could definitely see what he was going for, and I think he nailed it down to the production. The high life elements were here. You know what I mean? Everything hit. Noble and Ebuka were given the rights. You know what I mean? The Igbo, all those Igbo confession love. You can see, you know what I mean? It was very, 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 very down to the detail. And then those background vocals, man, so strong. The harmonies behind them is something that Timmy carries on very, very proudly, and I like it. I absolutely enjoyed it, man. How are you guys feeling about this one? Did I put up a poll? I did not put up a poll. Well, because we were watching the video. So I couldn't put up a poll.